Alright guys, well, in this video I'm just gonna show you how you can install WordPress on your cPanel, and for those of you who don't know what WordPress is, well, WordPress is one of the popular CMS systems out there, and basically what CMS systems are, it's actually softwares that allow you to actually build websites without knowing much about coding, so let's check it out. So let's assume that you already have a hosting and a registered domain, because in order to do this you need an active hosting and a registered domain. So what you do, you go to your cPanel, log in there, and you should land on this page. And once you are here, what you would need to do is actually go to this section, the one that says softwares, and under this section look for this software. Just click on this software. Basically this software allows you to install softwares easily, so when you are here you can either search it there or just click on it. Alright, so this is WordPress. We're just gonna click on install now. Alright, here I want you to pay attention here. So this is the version of the WordPress you want. By default is the latest, so leave it as it is. And here where it says choose installation URL, if you have one domain, your domain will show here, okay, and this will be the directory where WordPress will be installed. What you want to do is to actually cancel this directory so that your website can be installed in your domain directly to your domain, so however on my side I'm not gonna install it on this domain. I'm gonna install it on one of our subdomains. So this is the one, the one that says wordpress.innertech.co.za. so before I started recording this video, I've actually created that subdomain, and as you can see there's nothing under that subdomain right now. So let's go back and install WordPress there. Now this it's actually this is going to be the title of your site, the site. So here we can say WordPress test. Yeah, it's cool, I'm cool with that. And this, it will be what is that website about, so the description of that site. So you can put anything or you can change these two later, so I'll leave this one as it is. And here it will be the username. Which username do you want? You type in the username that you want, or just leave this admin. However, this one, the password, make sure that you change this into your own password, to avoid getting your site hacked, because these are the tips one. So you change this password into what you want. So I'm just gonna create a simple one. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is a bad password. It tells you, should never create a password like that, but for this video I'm just creating it. And this email, it's an admin email. Which email do you want to use for as an admin email? You here, and just down, okay, and here you can choose a theme, as you install WordPress. Which theme do you want to be your basic or your foundation theme? I can choose this one, just select this, and here you can put the email where you want the installation details to go to. Here on my side I'm just gonna leave it as it is and install. Alright, so right now guys, it's actually installing WordPress into this domain, you know. So let's wait for it to finish and I'll actually show you. Alright guys, the installation is now done. As you can see, congratulations, the software was successfully installed, you know, and this is where it was installed, so you can care to view it. As you can see, this is our primary theme, the one that we chose there. And here, if you want to log in, you know, log in using your WordPress credentials, just click on that. So this is your WordPress. Anyway, let me just log out so that I show you that with using those credentials, this is where you actually go to. So the password was 1234567 8, right? Not 77778. Yes. And then let's see if it allows us. Yes, as you can see, now we are inside WordPress. So yep, that's it guys, on this video. Probably in the future videos would look at installing different themes and actually building awesome websites. Anyway, love you guys, until next time, cheers.